Okay, in this video, we will be solving two exponential equation problems. This is the first one, and the second problem we'll be doing is this. So let's get started. So we'll first want to eliminate this denominator, and we can do that if we multiply this and this by 5 times e raised to 2x plus 2. Since we're doing it in both sides, it's allowed. And so we would get 8 minus e raised to 2x is equal to 3 times 5e raised to 2x plus 2. And so this would equal, so 3 times 5 is 15, e raised to 2x plus 3 times 2 is 6. And so next we're going to want to keep our numbers like 8 and 6 in one side and our e raised to 2x on the other. And so if we do 8 minus 6, we would get 2. And this is going to equal, so negative e raised to 2x, we add it to this side. So that would be 16 e raised to 2x, because 15 plus 1 is 16. And so we could say that 1 over 8 is equal to e raised to 2x. And let me scroll down. And so next we're going to want to take the natural log of both sides. So we would get ln parentheses 1 over 8 is equal to ln parentheses e raised to 2x. And we know that ln is log e, and log e raised to e would cancel out, and we would just get 2x. So we have ln, the natural log of 1/8, is equal to 2x. And so we could say that x is equal to 1/2 of the natural log 1 divided by 8. And we simply need to box in this answer, and that's a final answer. Next we'll do the second question. So the second question is something like this. And what we're going to want to do here is rewrite this a little bit differently. If we say 3 parentheses ex, e raised to x, raised to 2, that's allowed because we would get e raised to 2x, it's equivalent, minus 14 parentheses e raised to x plus 11 is equal to 0. And instead of writing e raised to x, what if we say that u is equal to e raised to x? We're just going to let this, and at the end we will replace. And so we would get 3u squared minus 14u plus 11 is equal to 0. And next we will try to factor this out. And we can do that if we say 3u parentheses u close parentheses. So we want two numbers to multiply to give us 11, and ultimately add to get negative 14. If we say minus 1 minus 11, let's see if that works. So 3u times u is 3u squared, minus 11 times negative 1 is 11. 3u times negative 1 is negative 3u. U times negative 11 is negative 11u. Negative 11 minus 3 is negative 14. So it works. So let me scroll down. And so now we set this term to equal 0 and this term to equal 0, because if one of these terms is 0, 0 times any number is 0. And so 3u minus 11 is equal to 0. That means u is equal to 11 thirds. And u minus 1 is equal to 0, so that means u is equal to 1. And if you notice, originally we said that u is equal to e raised to x. So now we replace u with this term and solve for x. So I can do it here. If I say that u is 11 over 3 is equal to e raised to x, we take the natural log of both sides to eliminate the e here. That means x is equal to the natural log of 11 thirds. And so this is one answer. And now we want to get the second answer. So instead of 11 thirds, we say 1 is equal to e raised to x. Take the natural log of both sides. ln parentheses 1 is equal to x. And we know the natural log of 1 is 0. So, and x is equal to 0. And that's all we need to do.